Put together, I guess, as much as it could be. So wow, all of these people are walking by and my windows aren't tinted, so they can clearly see this camera sitting on my dashboard. Hey, what's up everybody? So today is currently Wednesday, September 11th. I just got off of work. It is about 3:20. I just wanted to start off this vlog because Kiki is coming in town tomorrow, so she'll be here Thursday through Monday. So I actually have Thursday, Friday, and Monday off. So I decided that I might as well vlog while she's in town. I need to clean up a little bit to clean my bathroom, and I need to like clear off my bed and stuff because I think she's just gonna alternate sleeping with one of us each night. So I actually need to wash clothes, still need to pick out like the outfits that I want to shoot. I just wanted to get this started because I know tomorrow I'm probably not going to wake up early at all to do all of this. I just want to get started today. Half of it I can do tomorrow. So I actually have like 3 other videos to edit, so I think I'm going to start on that. Ticked one off the list, so if you haven't seen it, my 1-year update in Texas, I'll link that up here. That was one of the 4 videos that I had to finish editing. I still need to do my New York vlog. I need to do my vlog when I went home for Labor Day, and then I also did some thrifting while I was back at home. I picked up some pieces, so I'm gonna do a thrift video for that. Then it's gonna be this vlog, and then it's gonna be the back to school lookbook with Kiki. So I'm gonna have 2 more videos to edit. Yay. So this is my current room situation. I mean, it's not that messy. I actually cleaned it a little when I came back from back home like a week ago. So it's not as messy, but like there's clutter everywhere. That stuff on my chair, that's all the thrift stuff that I got back at home. So I just want to put that aside. And also if I want to shoot in those looks, it's right there. I don't have to go looking for it. And then for my bathroom, I mean, I feel like this is the usual mess, the usual stuff that you use like every day. So pick these up. And then for my closet, I mean, pretty put together, I guess, as much as it could be. So I got a clutter of hats. I need to figure out a way to put them. I thought about like putting them on the wall, like on nails and hanging them, but since this is an apartment, I don't want to do that. I mean, I could get command hooks, so I might do that, or I just might keep it in that corner. We only have like till the end of the year. Well, we have until February for this apartment, so. Morning everybody. So it is definitely the next day. Just did a whole bunch of cleaning yesterday. I edited some of my New York vlogs, so I'm gonna try to continue that today. But right now, showered, and it feels really good to wake up not having to go to work. I woke up at like 11. I'm about to do my hair. I need to go either to Target or Walmart. Probably gonna go to Target to get like a new shower liner, because one I have right now is from the old apartment. That same liner since Nell moved in that apartment, so it's really old, so I need to replace it, and I kind of just want to clean up before Kiki comes. And then I also need to get some new gel, I believe, because I'm running out. I may go to CVS because I have a 40% off coupon code. Hair products aren't cheap. Let's see, rundown of today. Kiki, she lines at like 7 5:20, I believe. And then I got invited to an event that's at 6. I think I'm gonna go to that for like an hour and a half or so, then pick Kiki up from the airport, and then we're actually going to this place called Fireside Pies after I pick her up. So I got invited to, I guess, try out some stuff. We're gonna do that later tonight. I have no idea what I'm wearing. This is my hair. It's been sitting in like a towel, or the one that you saw on my head, for like an hour, and I usually don't like to let it sit in a towel for that long because my hair gets really dry, and then I feel like the products don't really stick. I go back to the same products that I used in the curly hair routine that I already have on my channel. So I'll link that up top and then also down below. If you want to watch that video, my hair definitely doesn't look the same, which I'm really sad about. My curls got a lot looser. Trying to get my hair back to like that, but I don't really know what to do. We got a package. So this is for you, Taylor, if you're watching. Her daughter was to a school and they were selling cookies. I just decided to buy some, so this is what this is. I just killed a spider, or whatever that was. So I just got 2 chocolate chips, and then I got white chocolate macadamia. Oh, I'm so hot, sweating. That was a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed that montage of cleaning that I just did. I don't even think it was 2 hours, probably like an hour and a half cleaning. I'm about to take a break right now, but my room's clean, the bathroom's clean, the kitchen dining room area is clean, the living room is clean. I'm just waiting for my sheets to dry right now because they usually take the longest. And then I'm gonna go to Target so I can get the shower liner, and then maybe go to CVS. I had enough product to do my hair today, and I think it'll last me until next week, so I might not go to CVS because I don't think I need it right now. I'm about to chill, then whatever I get up to, if I leave the apartment, I will bring you guys along, but right now I just need to rest. Found the liners. Go with the $2.99 one. just came back from Target, got what I needed in there and a couple more things. Proud of myself. Quick Target haul. I just brought this bag. Trying to start bringing totes when I go to like the grocery store or anything, because we have so many plastic bags here and we don't use them. So I got the liner and I got these 2 tray things because I have a lot of stuff on my bathroom counter. I feel like it's kind of cluttered. And a bag of Cheetos. That's all I got from Target. I'm about to, I guess, put this liner on. Probably need to start getting ready 5-ish so I can go to that event at 6. And I still don't know what I'm wearing. So I just got done getting ready for this event. I'm about to be really late because it's about 5:45. My normal makeup, my normal red lip that I always wear. These earrings I'm obsessed with. They're from 8 Other Reasons. So here's the look. Top's from Pretty Little Thing. These pants are from Zara from like a year or 2 ago. And then this blazer is from H&M. And then I'm just wearing patent boots. These are from H&M as well. I'm about to go. We'll see what time we get there. I think it's gonna take me like 30 minutes to get there. It's about 90 degrees, so I don't even know why I'm wearing this blazer, but I just like the clash of prints. I think I'll just drape it over me, but I was thinking of just wearing it and then closing it like so. Let's head to the event. Okay, you're about to get this really bad angle because again, I don't have a car tripod and I still haven't gotten one. I just got back in the car from the event. It was really like small, wasn't a lot of people. I only stayed for about probably like 30-40 minutes. Really cute in there. I think they were giving tours of the place. I didn't do all that. Basically it's like a skincare, well I think it's like a spa where it was held at, but I think the brand or whatever that they were promoting was like a CBD product. They had this truck outside. They had balloons set up with like weed on it and stuff, so that was really cute. I got a few pictures on the inside of the truck. They had all their skincare products that they have on the wall. They gave us a goodie bag. Go ahead and just go through the goodie bag. Sorry if you can hear the air, but it's hot right now. Well, it says 99 in my car, so I'm gonna keep the air on, but sorry if you hear it. Not sure what this is. Like a gift certificate for something. Oh, okay. Oh, it says you've been gifted 1 BBL photo facial, a skin treatment that uses light-based technology to create a more even complexion by targeting multiple skin conditions such as brown spots, sun damage, age spots, liver spots, freckles, redness, and acne. Well, I'm definitely using that. Then there's this mask right here. Hydrate for visibly smoother, softer, and rejuvenated skin. We got a hum gummy for ultimate glow. Oh, I think I remember seeing this. On one side is exfoliate and smooth, and then on the other side is anti-aging neutralizer. Ooh, another peel. I don't know if y'all can see that. The clinical grade resurfacing liquid peel. I'm really into skincare because I'm really trying to get like my skin in order. I'm always excited to try new products. Then we have, ooh, I'm excited about this one. I have 2 of these products. So it's the clinical grade IPL dark spot correcting serum, and then the last thing in the bag is actually the brand that was at the event. Finish is the name of the brand, and this is Cool Down CBD infused facial mist, cooling, hydrating, and energizing. Yeah, there's the product there. Wow, all of these people are walking by and my windows aren't tinted, so they can clearly see this camera sitting on my dashboard. But you know what? It's fine. We're gonna go with it. That's everything in the bag. I'm about to go pick up Kiki. I think she landed. Ooh, she lands real soon. So I need to go because it's gonna take me about 30 minutes to get there. Hopefully she has to get her bag and all of that. So by the time I get there, she's already outside or like almost outside. And then we're gonna go to Fireside Pies for a meal or for dinner, I guess. Look who it is! Oh God.
Oh no. I'll wait for it to fall.
Just hold it. Just watch it. Kiki did her makeup in the car and she got her new wig. It looks real weird. Cute. Kiki, you just gotta get used to it. It's fine. We'll be there in like 5 minutes. They have pizzas. I think they have pasta.
Oh shit, girl.
Lord, I'm just following the people in front of me. I need a drink. She needs a drink.
Or 2.
I think that's what we're gonna do for the rest of the, oh shit. We'll see what we get. Wow.
Oh, Christmas lights.
Shit.
I was like, girl, you about to...
So let's see what we get up to. We have no plans, but we're just gonna take it day by day. You wanna say something to the people, Kiki?
Glad to be back.
Bro, it's been so long.
It's been since
a year.
I was like, was this the same time that you went last year?
The same exact like day and everything. I think
Wow.
no, I think I came like on the 17th or something like that.
But still, it was this month.
Yeah, it was still
I'm not
this
sure
month.
I understand.
I'm not talking to her.
All right, y'all. See you at the restaurant. I don't know if it's gonna be dark in there or not, but we'll see. Okay, bye. Bye. Stop beforehand.
What the hell?
I think some salt got in my throat. How do you like your beer?
I like it. Blood and honey. I can taste honey. It's sweet. Cool. I don't like ciders. Those are sweet. I like stuff that puts some hair in your chest. You know what I'm saying?
So the first dish just came out. It's called the crostini. It's like a baguette and they put cheese and tomatoes and some kind of oil on it. Okay, it's not bad. It's like a sweet and like tangy, whatever the oil is. Not bad.
Hot, it would be bust.
True that. I could do without the tomatoes, but it's pretty good. All right, so my lipstick is on, but it's fine. So we just got dessert, and this is the vanilla bean cheesecake. Here it is in all its glory.
Now what happened to the front board?